Hello friends, my name is Salahuddin. Today I will discuss about the point change problem, finding out the minimum number of points of the given value. Here we have 3 coins. The denomination of those coins are 3, 2 and 5. We need to make the value 13 using those coins. There are infinite number of supply of those coins. We can make the value 13 using the way 5 coins of 2 plus 1 coins of 3 equal, we can make 13. Here we have used 5 plus 1 equals 6 coins. We can also make 13 using 3 coins of 3 plus 2 coins of 2 equal 13. Here we have used 5 coins. So the problem is, after taking which coins we can make the value using minimum number of coins. Now we will see how we can solve the problem using dynamic programming approach. We will use bottom-up approach. In bottom-up approach, we need to find out the value first from minimum value to our finally get the target value. To find out the value, we have two arrays, one for the minimum number of coins and another for used coins. This minimum number of coins, this array will store the minimum number of coins to make those values, and here which coins we have used to make this value. First we will store the maximum value in this array. In the base case, when the value is 0, we don't need to use any coin, so the value will be here 0. When the value will be 1, when the value is 1, we can't use any coin, as the coin denomination of those coins are 3, 2 and 5, but using those coins we can make 1, so the value here will be infinite. When the value will be 2, when the value will be 2, after using the point 3, here we can use the point 3 as 3 is greater than 2. We can use the point 2. After using the point 2, as we have used the point 2, so we will add 1 plus 2 minus 2 equal 0, as we have used the point value 2, and from the value 2 we will minus the value, and this will point here the minimum number of points is 0, and so the value will be 0 equal 1. We can use the point 5, as 5 is greater than 2, so here we can use the point 2 and the minimum number of points will be used 1. We will store the value when the value will be 2, here 1, and we have used the point 2. Now when the value will be 3, when the value is 3, we can use the point 3. After using the point 3, as we have used the point 3, so we will add 1 plus, after using the point 3, the value will be 0, and the 0 value, for 0 value the minimum number of points is 0, so here the value will be 1. We can use the value 2. When we will use 2, as we have used 2, we will add 1 plus, after using the point value 2, we have remaining value 1, and for the remaining value 1, the minimum number of points here infinite, so it will be infinite. We can use the value 5, as 5 is greater than 3, so here the minimum value is 1. We will use the value minimum value here 1, and we have used the point 3. When the value is 4, when the value is 4, we can use the point 3. After using the point 3, as we have used 3, we will add 1 plus, after using the point 3, we have remaining value 1, and for the remaining value 1, the minimum number of points here infinite, so so it will be infinite. When we will use the denomination of coin 2, we will have remaining value 2, and for the remaining value 2 the value is 1 equal to, we can use 5 as a 5 is greater than 4. Here the minimum value is 2. So to make the value 4, we need at least 2 coins, and here we have used the coin 2. When the value is 5, after using the denomination 3, we have remaining 2, and for 2 the minimum number of coins is 1 equal to, after using the denomination 2, we have remaining value 3, and for the 3 the minimum number of coins is 1, so the value will be here also 2. We can use 5. After using 5, we have remaining value is 0, and for the 0 value the minimum number of coins is 0, so here will be 1. Here the minimum value is 1. So to make the value 5, we need to use at least 1 coin, and the used coin will be here 5. When the value will be 6, after using 3, we have remaining value 1. After using 3, we have remaining value 3, and for the 3 the minimum number of coin we need here 1 equal to, after using 2, we have remaining value 4, and for 4 value the minimum number of coins we need 2, so the value will be here 3. After using the value 5, remaining value is 1, and 1 for infinite. Here the minimum value is 2, so we will use the value here, number of minimum coins we need to make 6 is 2, and we have used the value here 3. When the value will be 7, after using the denomination 3, we have remaining value 3 minus 7 4, need 2 coins. When we will use the denomination 2, we have remaining value 5 for 5 number of coins we need 1. When we will use the denomination 5, we have remaining value 2, and for 2 the value minimum number of coins we need here 1, so here 3, here 2, here 2, so here the minimum number of coins is 2. Here 2 is 2 times 2, and here also 2. We can use any one, 2 or 5. If we use 2, so the value here will be 2, and if we use 2, then we can store here 2, or we can also store 5. So when we will use the value 8, after using the coin, the denomination of the coin 3, we have remaining value is 5, and for the 5 the minimum number of coins is 1, so here we need total number of coins is 2. If we use the denomination of 2, we have remaining value is 6, and for 6 the minimum number of coins we need 2, so the total number of coins to make 8 we need here 3. If we use 5, we need the total number of coins is 1 plus remaining value is 3, for 3 1 equal 2, so here the minimum number of value is 2, so we will store here the value 2, and we can use any coin 3 or 5. If we use 5, then we will store here 5. Now we will find out the value for 9. And the value is 9. After using the coin 3, we have remaining value 6. For 6 we know the value is 2, So total number of coins to make 9, here we need 3. If we use the coin 2, we have remaining value is 9 minus 2 equals 7, and for to make 7 we need the minimum number of coins 2. We will get this value here 3. When we will use the coin 5, and here after using the denomination 5, we have remaining value is 4, and for 4 the minimum number of coins here we need 2. So here we also need 3 coins. So the minimum number of coins here we need 3. So we will store the value 3 here, and we can use any coin. If we use 2, then we will store the value 2. When the value is 10, after using the coin 3, the remaining value will be 7. For 7 we need 2. After using the coin 2, the remaining value will be 8. For 8 the number of coins is 2. After using the coin 3, the remaining value is 7, and for 7 the value is here 2. And after using the coin 5, remaining value is 5, and for 5 the number of coins here 1. So the value will be here 3, 3, here 2. Minimum number of coins here 2. So we will use the value here, and we have used the coin here 5. When the value will be 11, after using the denomination of the coin value 3, we have remaining value is 8, and for the value 8 the minimum number of coins here 2. So the value will be here 3. After using the denomination of the coin value 2, we have remaining value is 9, and for 9 the minimum number of coins here we need 3. So here the value will be 4. After using the coin, after using the denomination 5, we have remaining value 6, and for 6 the minimum number of coins we need here 2. So the value will be 3. Here the minimum number of value will be 3. So we will store the value here 3, and we can use in 1, 5 or 3. When the value will be 12, after using the value 3, we have remaining value 9, and for 9 we have the value is 3 here. So the value is 4. After using the coin 2, the remaining value is 10. For 10 is 2 here. After using the coin 5, the remaining value is 7, and for 7 the value is 2. So the value will be here 3. Here the minimum number of coins is 3. So we will store the value here. And we can use any coin 5 or 2. When the value will be 13, our target value, after using the denomination 3, we have remaining value is 10, and for 10 the minimum number of coins is 2. So here will be 3. After using the value 2, the denomination of the coin 2, we have remaining value is 11. For 11 the minimum number of coins we need 3. So here will be 4. After using the denomination of 5, we have remaining value is 8, and for 8 the minimum number of coins here 2 equal 3. Here the minimum number of value is 3, so we will use the value here 3, and we can use any coin 3 or 5. So to make the value 13, we need minimum number of coins 3, and now we will see which coins we will use. So the minimum number of coins we need to make 13 is 3, and now we will see which coin we will use. Here for 13 we have used 3. The set will be 3. As we have used 3, so remaining value will be 13 minus 3 equal 10. And for 10 we have used 5. For 5, as we have used here 5, so we will minus the value from 10, so the remaining value will be 5. This will point here. And for 5 we have used another 5, and after using the 5 the value will be 0 and that will end. So to make the value 13 we need at least 3 coins, and those coins will be 3, 5 and 5. Now we will see the implementation of the problem. First we will set the maximum value for I equal 1 to I less than equal value mean number of coins. Maximum value int max, and we will set base case for 0 is 0, and for other values I equal 1 less than equal value I plus plus. For each coins j equal 0, j less than number of coins that is here 3, j plus plus. If the denomination of the coin, that is coin of j, less than or equal the value, that is I, then we will make temp result, that is temp will be here minimum number of coins will be I minus using the coin value if the value temp not equal int max and temp plus 1 less than mean number of coins of the value I. Then we'll set the value mean number of coins I equal temp plus 1, and we also the use coin for I we have used coin of j. Finally we return the minimum number of coins. The coins value. In this implementation, the complexity of the problem will be, there we have used two loops, the value and the number of coins. So the complexity will be big of value into number of coins. Thank you for watching the video.